What's up, everybody? Will Brown, CTA, Chief Technical Analyst at Quantum Capital Research Group. I'm going to give you guys another freebie here. This is an easy layup. If you've been following the news lately, you would know what's going on with Nvda. But if you're a busy working professional, you may not be following the news. So that's why you rely on us, Quantum Capital Research Group. But Nvda, this is the stock to watch at the moment. First thing we want to do is identify support and resistance. This is a 180-day chart. Zoomed in. We identified support, we identified resistance to determine the range in which Nvda had been trading in, which we did since February. This is the range. What I like to see with this type of price action and setup is price action marching off of support right into resistance. I like to see the price action come off of the 10-day moving average, the 20-day moving average, and some strong volume, which says that there is strong relative strength and momentum into this trade, which is a strong indication that there's a lot of buying pressure that's about to enter into this space. Now, if we move in and zoom in on this chart and we go into a 10-day chart, you can see that the price action punched through support here, and it's starting to create a whole new leg. Now, some people are going to be like, well, you missed the run. You should have bought in here. Well, not necessarily. How you trade these types of setups are you still buy at an area of value, which is going to be next to or near market structure. And then you set your stop to mitigate your losses right a distance below market structure, somewhere around here, so you don't lose out. Now, the upside to this trade is when you zoom back out to the 180-day chart, we've already identified a level of resistance that this stock may get to before it starts to chop. It may even punch through this, but 40. So the pro tip here is this is an options play. So if you were a Quantum Capital Research Group member, you'd get the options alert on this particular play where you can bank anywhere between 80, 100 to 200% returns on your investment. But if you're a busy working professional, you don't have time to do this type of analysis, these types of trade planning, become a member today.